winds caused massive dust storm as Mumbai wore apocalypse-like look. Mumbai plunged into darkness as a colossal dust storm swept through the city, causing structural collapses, power outages, and widespread disruption to transportation. The aftermath of the storm saw 3 deaths and over 50 injuries, with reports of people trapped beneath debris after a massive billboard collapsed in busy Ghatkopar area. Flight operations at Mumbai airport were halted for over an hour amid the chaos. The Indian Meteorological Department issued a thunderstorm warning for Mumbai, Thane, and Palghar, attributing the dusty conditions to gusty winds. As the city grapples with the aftermath, experts weigh in on the meteorological factors behind the tempest, shedding light on the hazards of dust storms and their impact on urban environments.